AI can save you a ridiculous amount of time. But there's one habit worth watching. When every problem immediately becomes an AI prompt, you can start skipping the part where you think first. That doesn't mean you need to quit AI. Instead, change where AI enters the process. Here's a simple 5-step rule. Step 1. Think before you prompt. Before opening AI, give yourself 2 or 3 minutes. Write down what you already know, what you think, and what you're unsure about. You don't need a perfect answer. 3 bullets are enough. The goal is simply to have your own starting point before AI gives you one. Step 2. Give AI a role. Instead of saying, "Do this for me," bring AI into work you've already started. Try, "Here's my plan. What am I missing? Critique this. Give me 3 better alternatives." Or, "Explain the weakest part." Now AI is helping your thinking instead of replacing the first part of it. Step 3. Make AI disagree with you. AI answers can sound convincing even when they're incomplete. So don't only ask it to improve your idea. Ask it to challenge your idea. What could be wrong with this? What assumption am I making? Give me the strongest argument against this. Then make the decision yourself. Use AI to create better options. Don't automatically give it the final vote. Step 4. Verify what matters. You don't need to fact-check every casual question. But when the answer affects your health, money, work, legal decisions, or an important factual claim, slow down. Check the original source. Confirm the number. Read the actual study when it matters. A simple rule is, the bigger the consequence, the stronger the verification. AI can help you find information. It shouldn't be the only reason you believe it. Step 5. Keep some no AI reps. You don't need an AI detox. Just keep doing a few things with your own brain first. Write an outline before asking AI to improve it. Come up with 5 ideas before asking for 10 more. Try solving the problem before asking for help, or spend 20 minutes working without AI. Think of these as mental reps. You're not avoiding the tool, you're keeping the skills you want the tool to support. And if you catch yourself copying AI output without really understanding it, use this reset. Stop. Close the AI. Explain the idea in 3 bullets in your own words. Then reopen it. So the whole system is simple. Think, ask, challenge, verify, then decide. Try it on one real task today. Use AI for leverage. Just make sure you're still the one holding the steering wheel.